Hi, my name is Kyle Mann with IP Truck, and today we're going to be doing a quick walk around stock number 31576. Again, that's stock number 31576. Now at the end of this video, if you'd like to make an inquiry on this truck, please do so at our website at iptruck.com, and one of our salesmen will contact you directly. Alright, so before me today we have the 2020 Hino 155 double cab, and it's equipped with a 16-foot fully aluminum Morgan Vanscape body on the back. Now, some of you may not be very familiar with the Hino products, but it's actually the commercial vehicle for Toyota. So the same durability and reliability you get across all Toyota products translates into the Hino commercial brand as well. Now this particular model is going to be powered by a 5.0 liter turbo diesel engine, giving you 210 horsepower, and it's paired with a 6-speed automatic Aisin transmission, which is just a bulletproof combination for the landscaping industry. And one of the first things you'll notice about this is that it is a cab over engine design, which literally means that the cab sits over the engine. This speaks to a couple benefits for you. One is easy access points for maintenance, and the second is going to be your maneuverability in those tighter workspaces in commercial areas as well as residential areas. Another great feature we're going to have is with our wet arm wipers with intermittent, which literally sprays the windshield wiper fluid out onto the windshield, so it keeps close contact and a nice clean windshield for you. You're also going to have great visibility out of the front with a nice panoramic windshield, and then you're going to get driver visibility of 8-foot driver to ground. And of course, you're going to have some added on visibility with your side view mirrors. You're going to have your upper main mirror giving you great sight lines on the side of your box, and your lower interval convex mirror, which is really good for curbside parking and spotting that oncoming traffic. So as I said, this is going to be a double cab, so I'm going to have the cameraman go ahead and take a really good look inside for you. And I'm just going to walk around over here and we'll discuss some of the features inside of this cab. So this being a double cab, you're going to have available seating for 7-man crew. You're going to have 4 in the back and then 3 in the front. Another couple great features that Hino's actually provided you with is going to have the AC in the back as well as your heating system. Your switches over there, but the system for the heating system is just below the seat on the passenger side. And as you can tell, very spacious, it's comfortable and safe for your crews to fit. They've made the cab extremely accessible with a nice grab handle, and as you can see, I can get in and out of the cab really easy. I'm also going to be sitting on a fully adjustable captain's chair, and it's paired with a tilt telescopic steering wheel, which allows any driver of any size to fit comfortably and safely inside the cab. You're also going to have a great feature with the fold down middle workspace, allowing you to do any notes or logs and keep your crews out of the elements. You're also going to get above head storage, which is good for any, again, your notes or your logs or phone, laptop, tablets, however you see fit. It's a perfect space for that. On my left side, we're going to have our power windows, and just down to the right of the steering wheel, we've got our remote and heated mirrors, which is really great so your crew is not having to get in and out of the cab to change the sight lines. This is, as I said, going to be a 6-speed automatic transmission, so it's literally a turn key and go operation. You put the key in here, you put it in drive, and you roll down the road. Standard, in the center, you're also going to get your AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth radio, as well as your AC and heat in the front. And actually, you're going to get nice power windows for the rear seats as well. Alright, so if we can have the cameraman take a really good look out of the front, you'll get a good understanding of the visibility you're going to get out of this truck. Alright, let's take a look at the back. Now before I go over the back of the box, I do want to mention a couple of great features that Hino really backs up their product with. They've supplied you with a standard factory warranty of 5 years, 200,000 miles. And this is going to be an engine warranty. And then you're also going to get 24/7, 365-day-a-year roadside assistance, as well as my personal favorite, the Hino Insight. And as a business owner, this is absolutely optimal for your efficiency of your fleet. This allows you to have telematics, which does route scheduling, tracks the vehicle. It provides you with knowledge of how fast the vehicle has been accelerated as well as braking. You're also going to get remote diagnostics, so you can access all those things through your phone, your laptop, or your tablet. Lastly, you're going to get the case management, which is the most beneficial because if there ever is a problem with the truck, it will send you an email directly to you and us as the dealer, letting you know the severity of the problem, and if you need to bring it in to us, we can 100% take care of that at IP Truck. Alright, so if we have the cameraman take a really good look underneath, you'll see a nice clean side of frame. This allows good space for any underbody toolboxes or storage containers, allowing you to put any tools or anything that you see fit that you would like to keep outside of the cab underneath lockable toolbox. So a lot of people will see this as just a white box rolling down the road, but here at IP Truck, we see this as an opportunity for you to turn your fuel dollars into revenue dollars by putting on a simple decal or a fully customizable wrap, which we can do here at our IP Truck body shop. On the back, we've done a really great deal here. We've put on a nice split dovetail ramp system on the back of the box. And as you can see, when I walk up on here, you'll notice we have the expanded metal, which allows any dirt, mud, or soot to fall right through so you're not tracking it in and out of the bed of your truck. It also serves as a really great traction pad for any of your zero-turn mowers coming up into the box. Okay, so this is our 16-foot all-aluminum Morgan box body. You're going to get a nice LED dome light. The roof is aluminum. And then all the way around on all walls, we've got it equipped with 3/4 inch thick plywood. And just on the bottom, you'll see we've got nice scuff boarding for you so that your zero-turn mowers aren't busting holes inside of the plywood. On the floor, we've got a nice laminated hardwood floor. It's really good for any zero-turn mowers that you're going to be putting in here, as well as any other equipment. What's really great is that on these walls you do have adjustability and variability with what you put on there. We can supply you and install trimmer racks, blower racks, or shelving. It's totally up to you, but we can 100% handle all your needs. All right, so I think we've done a really great job of giving you an overview of this truck. As I said before, if you'd like to make an inquiry on this truck, please do so at our website at iptruck.com, and one of our salesmen will contact you directly. Please give us a like and a follow on our Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube page so that you can stay constantly updated with our changing inventory. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope to see you soon, and have a great day.